Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on an exciting artistic adventure. We're going to learn how to draw and color this super cute cartoon turtle, step by step. Even if you're a beginner, you'll be able to follow along easily. So grab your paper, a pencil, and some colors, and let's get started. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over what you'll need. A plain piece of paper, any size will do. A pencil, preferably with an eraser, just in case. A black marker or a dark pen for outlining, this really makes your drawing pop. And of course, your favorite coloring supplies. I'll be using colored pencils today, but you can use crayons, markers, or even paints. Thank you so much for drawing with us today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a big thumbs up, leave a comment below with what you'd like to draw next, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun art lessons. See you next time, happy drawing!